Right now I'm joined by my wife, Yanga.
I got a fire, come suck me up before I burn you. Tuzanyenya mjivuzi, tawarenga bakugamba bato, tawarenga when you come my way, we will send it up to me, we will send it up to something.
We are not here because of our own, we are here because of people who have supported us, we are here because of God, and most of all, the God Almighty, we give you thanks, we give you all the praise and honor, and thank you for bringing us here. Road safety is your responsibility, is my responsibility.